Hey guys, finally back in the doghouse. I haven't done anything probably about the last 3-4 weeks. I've been sick as a dog. I don't know what in the hell's going on. But I found ever since I had COVID last year, my immune system is way down. But anyway, I've been flat on my back for about 3 weeks, sick as a dog, stomach cramps, headache. It's not COVID, it's something else. But anyway, I'm back at the doghouse. I'm feeling a bit better. And we'll get at this Buick. Here's what I've done. There's a patch in here in the floor. This is the back seat. I got this here done. Got the platform done here. Got all along the dog leg at the back. And I'm just working on the floor here now. But I bought this gizmo, this little tool. You've probably seen them on TV. It's like a form fitter, right? You press it and it takes on all different shapes. But anyway, I got this piece here in the corner I got to make. And this is basically why I bought this here. It was on Amazon for like 15 bucks for 2 of them. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this here. If I can get the camera set up, I'm just trying to show you what I'm doing. It's kind of neat. There, so it's all straight now. And what you do is just put it against wherever you want it. I hope I'm doing this here justice. And then you just push all these little arms, and it takes on the shape that you want. I think it's cool as hell. So you'll take on every little mark. There. So I'm just going to take this here, and because this here on the back of my seat is flush, and then you got it flush over here, I can take this here as long as this here is flush on my piece of metal. Well, I guess I should, well actually what I should do is bring that over a wee bit more. I hope you guys can see this here. See, here's the back of my floor, or my seat, I should say, and I got to fill in this cavity. So if I put this flush here, and then just push all these little rods, it'll take the shape of what I want here. I think it's really cool. There, I should be able to just transfer this here to my metal and cut it out. And it should fit there perfect, or very close to being perfect anyway. There, so this here should be my, cut that out. That should be my pattern. Find out in a sec. very, very close. Just a little bit of trimming. That should be good. Just trim that just a smidgen more. That should be good. There you go, perfect fit. Yeah, so just tack that in there and Bob's your uncle. Yeah, so all I have to do is just trim it off here, weld it in, perfect. Yeah, so this is a cool little tool. Got this one here, which is 5 inches. Then I got another one that's a foot. It's great for getting into little pieces like this here. Like I say, it was only like 15 bucks or something like that. $15 Canadian, so that'd be like $9 American. Yeah. So anyway, guys, that's what I'm doing today. Just puttering around in the shop and trying to get something done. So anyway, thanks for hanging around. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye now.